What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Minister of Your State. I'm back again on another video. The boy is back. The boy is fun and cool. Hey guys, today I wasn't planning to record. You see, I record late, around 8. I wasn't planning to record anything today, but I was like, man, let me just record. Guys, the market keeps on respecting the setups. What you have to do is be inside. While it's respecting, you must be inside and cook, Take those entries, take those setup trade and make that bag. So you remember this trend line? This trend has been holding us. Not like that. Keeps on going up. So that trend line just telling me, we need. Remember the 90% rule was right here, but now I extended. I realized that whenever the market is gonna buy, it has to come to this point. You see this area where I put this horizontal ray. That's where the market has to go if we have to buy today. So now I can see that you have a young resistance, But I feel like the market is repeating what it did yesterday. Because what it did yesterday, it had a resistance right here, but it broke that resistance later on and buy. You see now, it did this buy. Now when it's doing this, I know that the market is gonna break, and my entries for buying gold are gonna come only if we break this resistance. If I don't break this resistance, I don't think I'll end. Because let me show you guys yesterday. Some people entered before it breaks, guys. That's why I said this is all experience, right? Let's go to now. I'm going to show you guys why. Some people entered here. There is a hidden shoulder. You see, it was under a zone, but people entered buys here, and it went and break. So here there was a hidden shoulder. I don't know if you guys can see this hidden shoulder or what. So yeah, guys, the market are just moving nice, man. You see, head and shoulder. Breakout of this trend line. People entered. They realized it's gonna go and break. You understand? So yeah, but me, I didn't enter gold yesterday. I entered Nasdaq. That Nasdaq, guys, it respected and then it bought, but gave me profits, and then the market reversed, and then it took me out. Like I don't know what happened when it reversed, but it reversed and took me out. But I entered German Date again, then I made profit. So actually yesterday it was a profitable day, because on German Date I made more than I lost on Nasdaq. You understand? So guys, you just have to don't make a profitable day to be a losing day. People tend to I was doing that. Let's say today is a profitable day, but you at the end of the day you find that that day is a losing day for you because of greediness, over trading. Bro, let's say you make $50 on one trade. Make $50. Then now you feel like you own this market. You start going back to trade again. You end up losing everything, even your initial deposit. So when you turn a winning day into a losing day, what you have to do is stick to the concept of if it's a winning day, let it be a winning day, regardless of how much you are making. Don't be like, okay, on a winning day you made $100, now you wanna make 200 now. You're gonna lose. But luckily, it happened that you can win. But what if the market goes against you when you lose? Well, do you think about your psychology? What happens to your psychology? Now your psychology is no longer okay because you have turned a winning day into a losing day. Psychology. Think for your psychology. Now the confidence is no longer there. Tomorrow when you come to the market, you think the market is gonna do the same thing. It's gonna take your money. Now, you see me now. When it's a winning day, I appreciate. I don't even care how much I've made. Whatever I've made. But if it's a winning day, I've learned to appreciate. I do mistakes as well. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I once did that, turned a winning day into a losing day. I don't even know why I did that. I turned a winning day into a losing day, man. Like, that was crazy, man. I don't like that. So right now, guys, now, you see the market just did this and this. So, if we were to buy gold, the safest way is let's come on top of this zone. Let's come on top of the zone and retest. Understand? There is nothing much on gold, guys. Just guys, don't turn a winning day into a losing day. If today is your winning day, let it be like that. Tomorrow it's a different day. We don't know what tomorrow has for us, but we believe that tomorrow is going to be better than today. But today, don't mess up the chance of winning day today. If you win today, don't mess up and make it a losing day again because of over trading, wanting more, greediness. No, stop being greedy. Stop being greedy. So yeah, guys, we're gonna wait for this. You see here, yeah. So the market break to retest there, then buy. So that's the best way for buying opportunities on gold, because if it's under zone, I'm not comfortable on buying it if it's under zone. So you see the TP, this is the 90% rule here, but TP has to be there. I saw this high here. I'm like, okay, they have to go to that high, they have to go and tap into that high. So it's so simple, gold, man. Don't even have to complicate anything, guys. So yeah, guys, don't forget to pray, man. You just have to pray, man. I don't know, guys, if like I don't know, but for me, I don't feel comfortable waking up and start doing things without praying. I don't know about you guys. Maybe you should start practicing that. Maybe you should just start asking yourself, do you feel comfortable just waking up and just do what you do without praying? No. Remember, sleeping is a choice, but waking up is the grace. You don't decide, bro, that you want to wake up. So why don't you want to thank God? Why don't you want to pray and thank God? Appreciate life every day. That's what you have to do. You just have to pray and thank God, appreciate life each and every single day. You understand? So yeah, guys, let's jump into Nasdaq. I want to show you guys something. Guys, Nasdaq, remember I said the market is gonna bounce here and buy. It bought. I entered exactly here, bro. You see, with sniper entries, I'm good. I entered exactly here. It came here. It reversed, blew my account, went up. And man, I was like, damn, this is crazy, bro. Let's check for hour. It's on this high, retested. Now, I think we're gonna buy Nasdaq today. I think Nasdaq is gonna buy, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys see? And if we buy, it means we have to go here. We have to go to this high there. You understand? So I think this thing is gonna buy. You see? I don't know, guys, but if you see, but it's complicated. Just look for gold. Is not complicated, bro. Gold, man, is moving zone to zone. That thing, man, is simple, man. I don't know, man. So guys, it took me out. So right now I still see buying opportunities. I think there's to buy and go there. I don't know, we'll see. Let me show you guys which one I entered yesterday. I entered German. Guys, yesterday German, it was here. You see, at this level, it was under this zone. I entered sales on German. After blowing on Nasdaq, I came and entered German. I think it was somewhere here. Sold. I made a good profit. Then I closed. I call it a day, cause I don't want to turn a winning day into a losing day. Don't do that, guys. You see, here we have a zone that is holding this thing. As you can see, guys, that for German 30, you see this breakout of the trend line here. So right now, you see this support here. There is a support here that supported the market to buy, and then this on a support we have to go to the high, right? So now we have this resistance here holding us back, selling, right? So maybe you can look for, but he's giving some head and shoulder to sell. But I'm not comfortable with sales, man. Like I don't, cause we're on top of these zones. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I don't know, guys. But look out for gold, guys. The main thing I can tell you, look out for gold. You say gold is so simple, bro. It's just moving zone to zone, break a zone, retest, you buy. Simple. You understand? So this one, unless if it rejects again, come back on top of this zone, then we can look for buys again until that area. You understand? Only if it can do that, So yeah, that's it. Let's check your state. Oh, your state is here. Guys, time is gone. But I told you guys that don't forget to pray, man. It's the most important thing, man. Don't forget to pray, man. Thank God for you being alive. So guys, German, your state has to come here. He has to come here. So yeah, man. You can also look for buying opportunities on your state.